How does it taste, Titus?
Real good.
It's so nice waking up to the sound of the rooster. Wow, isn't that lovely?
What is the laugh about?
What a way them people can laugh, eh? I guess them take when Miss Lou say very, very seriously. Fi take kinti kiba art bun. Anyway, you mind them, yeah? Come with me, come with me, come with me. There are places to go and lots to see. If you want to feel quite free, follow me to the country. For there are things that I want you to see. There are things that I want you to see. Okay, Mom, what are you doing?
I'm going to make some bammies.
Oh, you're going to make Bammy.
Yes, this is cassava.
Let me see. Oh, that's a
The
cassava.
cassava. I'm going to peel it off now. Peel off the skin of
Okay.
the cassava.
I noticed that you're peeling it in a different way from how we peel the yam.
Yes, this is the skin you're taking off now.
All
Taking
right.
off the skin. Some people scrape it, but I'm taking off the skin off it.
Okay.
And then
So, notice.
after I take off the skin now,
Now what you're going. I noticed that you have a container with water
yes,
here.
I'm going to wash it.
All right.
Wash it
Watch,
clean.
people. Let's see. We won't let the tradition die.
Make it clean.
Okay.
And I'm going to grate.
All right.
Grate it now.
All right. So you put it into the. Okay. You cut it into
Eat it.
manageable
I
pieces.
can manage it.
Right. And you put it in the water. Why do you put it in there? Is it to
To wash it
okay
clean in
to
the
wash
water.
it?
And
Okay.
then I wash it. Keep clean and pretty.
Yes.
Then
And then that's the
I'm
next
going
step.
to grate it now.
All right.
See? Wash it.
So let's move over to the grate.
Grate it now.
So she's gonna show us how she grate.
This is the pudding pan and this is the
Oh,
grate.
pudding pan, old time pudding pan.
This is the grate. I'm going to grate it now.
Yes, look at it. Yeah. You see, my mom is 87. You see, she's still active. And guess what? We can't let this tradition die.
No.
We have to pass it down to the next generation.
Right.
So we are making pot Bammy. Okay.
I used to make the one in the hook. But we're not doing the hook one now. We went to the
All right.
pat one.
All okay.
Pat one. Pat bammy.
Yeah.
So we do it like this now.
All right. So how does it feel? I noticed that you have some grated one.
Yes.
Can you let us look at this?
Yes. See, it's always great. Always stay
All
now.
right. Can you take it up in your
Clean
hand and
off
let us
the
see?
Great. See
my
it here
eye.
now.
All right. Look at it.
All it great.
Oh,
And then
okay.
you're going to rinse out the water out it now.
All right. So there's another step now. So let's move over to the
Yes.
other
A
step.
piece
So
of clean cloth.
oh, so this is what you use. Okay.
And then
So
we're
let
going
us see.
you're going to wring it now. Bring out the water out of it now.
Okay.
You put it in the cloth.
Right. See what's happening. Okay. So put some of the grated cassava
Yes.
into some a
And
piece
go-
of cloth and
And
it's
then
going to get out the
wring out the
liquid.
water out there.
Why do I have to do that?
Yes, don't make it the water in it.
Okay.
You have to bake it. Then you got the water. There you go.
And this is
And then
sweet cassava
This
we're
is
using,
sweet
right?
cassava now. But the
Okay.
bitter one now, it's a different way we do the bitter one.
Okay. So because it's sweet now, we can make the bammy
Quick.
quicker. Right?
But when it bitter, you have to make, put it down and make the gas come out of the cassava.
Okay. See? I wonder why those persons are disturbing our video. So,
This is the dry one.
so this is what the dry
flour.
cassava flour looks like. And you see, my mom is putting salt in the flour. She's going to mix some salt to give it a flavor. Right. So we are stepping up now. Okay. So first of all, let me just recap. We get the cassava. We get the cassava. Peel the cassava. Wash. Grate. And then squeeze the liquid out of the cassava. It looks like this now. This is dry flour.
Yes, put a little salt in it first.
Okay.
And you rub it on the grater.
Yes.
We could put it in the mortar and beat it, but we don't.
Alright.
Worry this time.
Okay.
Do the grate and rub it up, and then you're going to sieve it now.
Yes. Okay,
Come
we're gonna
fine.
sieve it. Oh, so we're going to need a sieve.
Yes, I have a sieve here.
Okay, where's the sieve?
It is sieve there.
Oh, yes, that's the sieve. So we're going to need a container then. We're going to sieve it into the
I'm going
pot.
to sieve it in the pot. No, not in the pot.
All right, so
Sieve it in the pot.
there is the sieve. That's the sieve. The sieve.
It's a big sieve.
Right. Look at the process, people. We are making pot bammy. Country style pot bammy. Yeah, me never know the country life was so nice. Yeah, me never know the country life was so nice. Span up, span up. Yes, from scratch. Pot bammy. Right, so there it is.
I'm going to
So
sieve the
let's
flour.
sieve. Right. So I guess the drier it is, the easier it will be to
Yes, but if
sieve.
it's too dry, down there, you know.
Right. See? If it's
not
too
too-
dry,
Cannot.
people learn. Because guess what? When we are past and gone from this world, we're going to need the tradition
Yes,
of
I'm-
bammy making to continue.
I'm
Right.
sieving it here now.
Okay. Right, sieving. Okay, see, look at the process. Sieving, sieving, sieving. Okay. See? Wow. Look how beautiful that is. Wow. Comment down below if you have ever used bammy, not bammy, cassava in your flour. Wow, cassava dumpling, that is nice.
We have a big stone and
Yeah.
bake the one in the hook.
Oh,
And
yes.
we bake the hook one.
Right.
But no, just a small amount we are going to make. So we don't worry with the hook one. We use the pot one.
Oh, let us see what's going on at the bottom. Let's see the sieve. Let's give the viewers a glimpse. Wow. See how beautiful that is? Wow. See how beautiful? Look at the comparison course. Fine. Right. Great. Alright.
We're going to put the pot on the fire now to hot.
Alright. So we gotta go up to the stove. Okay. So the pot is on the fire. So we're gonna throw that is the course one. Right.
Put the pot on
Course.
the fire now.
Saved. Beautiful flower. So here is a pot that we go over. This is the stove. Wow.
Stove and the fire.
Okay. So I'm gonna put the stove on the fire.
Put the pot on the fire and let it hot.
What's happening there? Pot on the fire. Ready to take in the cassava flowers to make the pot bammy. Wow. So all you need is a cassava flour, some salt, a pot, stove. So we are allowing this to get hot. Okay. So, so saving. Let me go back over. See? Cassava. Yucca. Some persons do it as yucca. Yeah, I'm making pot bammy from scratch. Okay. And my mom is still sieving. She wants to make sure that she see, she's sieving again. While the pot is on the fire getting hot to receive the...
But then can see what I'm doing?
Yay!
Yes, I'm sitting some more flour.
Right?
Because I'm going to be more than one.
Yes. It's gonna be more than one. Oh, and what do we eat? What is nice to eat this pot bammy with?
You get pear, you can eat it.
An
nice
avocado. Ooh,
with
what?
pear
Mm-hmm.
and hockey
Wow.
and saltfish.
Yes.
Nice with that and saltfish, you know.
And a nice cup of chocolate
Right, our
tea.
coffee,
And
our coffee tea. Right.
Wow. Yes.
Our
Cassava.
fried fish.
Fried fish.
Fried fish and,
Yes, man.
and
Fried fish
bammy.
and bammy.
Right.
Whether it's the brown one or the pot one, the pot
Right.
bammy is nice. Try it, people.
Yeah, man.
Next time when you go to the market, don't pass over the cassava, the yucca, whatever you in your culture, whatever
And
you
we
call
use the
it.
flour here to make dumpling.
Yes.
Mix it with the wheat flour
What
and make
tastes
dumpling.
nicer than
And you
cassava
can
dumpling?
bake pudding with it.
Pudding, did you
Cassava,
hear that?
sweet cassava pudding.
Woo!
Make it too.
And guess what? The liquid that comes from the cassava, we would put that down for a while and it settles and then we get the starch.
Right.
Right. When you starch your clothes with that cassava starch, man. When we were going to school, we used to use it to starch our uniform. When you see all the khaki and the school, girls' school uniform and everything. Oh, press with that
Alright,
iron that
the
they put in the fire.
See the flour that's safe.
Yeah, sip
I'm
flour.
going to bake this now.
All right, come on, people. I'm so excited.
What the
So you
pot-
want to see?
what
Let
the
me see.
pot too hot.
The pot is to get hot.
Go and
Let me
fill the
feel.
pot and see.
Oh, my job is to feel the pot.
Feel the hungry life.
It feels hot.
See that?
Yes. Feels hot. Wow. You see, because of the rain, we have to resort to this. You know? But,
Alright, going to put the flour
okay. Flour
in the pot.
Alright, so don't put a, you're gonna put a flour in the pot. See what's happening? Flour in the pot. We're making pot bammy.
And you take it down like this.
Yes, see what's happening there.
And you stamp it down like this.
Stamp it down.
In the pot.
Yes. Wow.
Right. It is still there now and baked.
Okay. Bammy in the pot is baking, baking, baking. Bammy in the pot is not bake, we're baking it. Would you say this is baking the bammy?
Of course.
Pot bammy. Bammy in the pot is baking, baking till the morning. When you see the cassava flour, sieve it, sieve it. When you see the cassava flour, sieve it till the morning. Then you take the cassava and grate it, grate it. Then you take the cassava and grate it till the morning. So let us see what's happening now. Okay, we are going to be showing you. Well, okay, see what's happening now. And we're gonna turn it. It's ready for the turn.
It's ready to turn, has it?
Okay. Wait a little. And then,
Let it go and baking.
alright.
Baking.
Okay, so we're gonna turn it on the other side. See what's happening. Wow. You're gonna turn it on the other side.
Oh.
Wow, look at that, people. Whoa, beautiful. Gosh. What bunny. Look at that.
It bake a little.
Give it a little more time. And then it will be almost ready to be eaten.
You not to eat it too hot.
Don't eat it too hot. Warning.
Cool. It's cool before you eat it.
Yes, should be cool. Cool it a little. It's not a good practice to eat things too hot. No, not at all. Wow. Mom, where did you learn this? Where did you learn how to bake? How to do
I
this?
learned this from my parents.
You see?
They used to do the Bammy in the hook. Have the big stone.
Okay.
Heavy stone. And you make up the fire. And you put the stone on it.
Right.
And when it hot now, you can have a dozen hook on the stove. But this, we don't use so much sometimes. You use
It's something, okay, something like that.
like
That
four,
iron.
You put it in four. And
Okay.
when that bake now, you put it one side, make it soak, and put on the hook to hot.
Yes.
That's when we're going to be the Bammy one.
Yeah.
The hook one.
Okay, that
But,
round one.
the
round
round
shape.
one. But no, this is not the.
Okay, see? See what
If
it
you
looks
make, If
like.
you make the fire too big, it burn up.
Yes, do not
want
make the
it to
fire too
burn.
big.
Just want it to bake.
Right. Wow. You see? That's it. Bammy. Comment down below if you love Bammy. And what do you love your Bammy with? Yes, that's how we do it in the country. We make our pot Bammy. Right. So, I hope you enjoy this video. Ooh. And thanks, Mom, for showing us how to do the pot Bammy. I'm sure that persons will be making pot Bammy as of today. Right? So, that's the thing. Right, so
I want
you
it
see.
to bake. I want it to bake good. Like
Wait. Oh, now it's ready to be taken out of the pot. See?
I'm going to.
Hot
I'm going
Bammy.
to. I'm going to turn it on the other side. You know. I'm going to take it out.
Nice.
And next one.
That's going to be another batch, another Bammy. But I am amazed at this. From the cassava to this. Okay, so
I'm going
that's
to fold it now.
got it. It's going to be
Fold
folded.
it now. Do it like this.
Ooh, see?
Fold it and do it like this. And put it on, make it cool.
Right. There you have it.
Make it cool.
There you have it.
And going to bake the next one.
Let me taste this. Crunchy. Yummy. Nice. Pot Bammy. There you have it, people. Pot Bammy. From the cassava to the Bammy. Let me come over to my brother who is tasting the Bammy. See? Ooh. How does it taste, Titus?
Real good.
Wow, so you see, people.
I like the taste of it.
Great. Thank you all so very much for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Touch the notification bell so you'll be notified. Touch the notification bell so you'll be notified. Like up the video. If you touch the thumbs up button, it shows that you've liked. Just like up the video. If you touch the thumbs up button, it shows that you've liked. Oh yes, please do subscribe, and like. And please do not forget to share this video to as many persons as possible. Remember, the aim of this channel is to help in preserving Jamaica's cultural heritage, and together we can do it.